If you want to learn sharpening of the clipper blade, sharpening of the super hard manual sharpening stones, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. Yeah, I want to sharpen clipper blade for KIKI cordless clipper. Can you see it? Very beautiful clipper. Can you see the blade has quenched? I want to sharpen it. I know I'll remove the upper and the bottom clipper blade now for sharpening. Set the package in this. You do just take package blade on stand. If you want Can you see the now part of it? It has been used all. Can you see the surface now? The surface has been used dull, very dull. This is a tedious work to do, but I need to use my super hard manual sharpening stone to produce a very beautiful sharpening on it, so that will work fine again. Let it pack it there. I want to put it on. I want to show. I want to Before going, I'll put the masking tape at the back. I'm putting the masking tape so that you have a better grip. My thumb can be able to control it very well. First clean the surface of the stone, then you apply the treatment. Apply the treatment on the surface. Apply the second treatment again. Using of biscuit bone. Can you see the way I scrub it? It makes the two chemicals together. As I'm rubbing, this biscuit bone is still depreciating on the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone. I'm making three treatments. You see this other one again. Use this one to cover the whole surface. Now use your finger to spread it all over. Yeah. That is step by step in sharpening of the clipper blade KIKI cordless clipper. Yeah. I'm using the angle of 45 degrees. Can you see it? Yeah, to and fro 10 times for this side. The pressure, the way you treated the surface, and the counting of to and fro have to be the same with this side. Let's go. That is to and fro 10 times here, to and fro 10 times. Let's check now and see what is going on. Because the way they use this clipper now, it has been used dull, very dull. Let me check it. Let's watch the inner surface. Yeah. This one is sharpening correctly. This camera, I don't know whether it's weather. Can you see? Yeah, the upper blade has been sharpened correctly. This is where the work is. Yeah, before you call yourself a real professional, you sharpen this type of clipper blade. Use roughly. Can you see the surface? This one has to be used by to be sharpened by the sharper. That's the electric clipper blade sharpening machine, but I will use hand to sharpen it. What I will achieve in the sharper, I will still achieve it in the super hard manual sharpening. That is why I'm saying, if you are using electric machine to sharp, my brother and my sisters in the barbing industry, if you are using electric machine to sharp, and there is maybe the machine have problem, like in Nigeria now, scarcity of oil. There's no scarcity of oil now. The price is too much up. The price of oil and petrol is too much up now. So care is not taken. Using of the engine to sharp costs you a lot now. When you to sharpen paper, you see gain there. That is why I'm saying you must know how to use super hard manual sharpening stone for your sharpening. You're supposed to know the both as a real professional. Can you see the way I'm applying the treatment? Yeah. At the angle of 45 degrees, I'm starting from here. That is number one for here. That's 2 and 10 times. The pressure, the treatment of the surface have to be the same with the other side. Let's go. Yeah, repeat here again. Yeah, what you do for here, you still have to repeat the same thing for here to make the pressure balance. Yeah, that is 2 and 20 times for one side, 2 and 20 times for the other side. Let's check what is going on now. Let us check what is going on. That is why I'm saying the way I use my own super hard manual sharpening stone is more professional. Yeah, I'm telling you sincerely. That I treat the surface of my super hard manual sharpening stone like the way I used to treat sharper. That is why it's giving me effective work. Yeah, very mature work. And you see, I want to check very well. Yeah. Can you see now? See the surface. See the surface. It's everything has sign across. Can you see? Everything has sign across. The sign across. Can you see it? That is how to sharpen the clipper blade. Let us test by the freehand testing styling mode. Can you see the way I position it? 3 finger down, 6 finger down, through block. Then the thumb block by the upper blade, then dragging from one side to the other with little pressure. So I'm using freehand testing styling mode to test. Once I can test, and we open it, we see the carbon from left hand side to the right hand side, right hand to the left hand side, which means the clipper blade is sharpening correctly. Yeah, we have to test. Let me check first. Can you see a very beautiful job? Let me test it again. That is why I'm saying using a super hard manual sharpening stone to sharpen is compulsory for all barbers. You must have to know how to use super hard manual sharpening stone for sharpening of the clipper blade so far. Yeah, in addition with sharper. Yeah, sharper and super hard manual sharpening stone work in the same way for me. I'm telling you sincerely, what I can use sharper for at the same time I can use super hard manual sharpening stone all at the same. That is why I'm saying you should know much about sharpening of the clipper blade using super hard manual sharpening stone step by step. I'm now testing. Once you can see carbon from the left hand side to the right hand side for the front and the back of the inner surface of the hopper and the bottom clipper blade, which means the clipper blade is sharpening correctly. Yeah, we need to test very well. We need to test. Let us open it now. Yeah, can you see? You see the carbon. Can you see? Can you see? Let's test again. Let's test again. That is what I'm saying. Sharpening of the clipper blade using super hard manual sharpening is logical, technical, with sense. Yeah, professional. Yeah, can you see it now? See the carbon cover the whole surface. Can you see? It is this guy giving this side mark like this. Can you see? Can you see it? This is how to sharpen clipper blade professionally. When you can sharpen your clipper blade and you can result in this form, yeah, you are a real professional, which means when you treat it very well, properly the way you're supposed to treat it, that to work like new one or even better than the new one. This is MASTERbarbers OttE. Let's go. I'm trying to clean the inner surface. I want to remove the masking tape at the back. I want to clean the gum. Yeah. So if you want to learn how to sharpen clipper blade very well, subscribe to MASTERbarbers OttE. MASTERbarbers Comedy TV, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can be able to see the way I am sharpening different type of clipper blade so far. Yeah, step by step in sharpening, you have to see it. Step by step in sharpening, you have to see it with your eyes. No trick, no magic. No trick, no magic. You have to see it with your own eyes. You have to see it with your eyes. I want to recouple it for testing, but most important, when you sharpen for cordless clippers like this, it is better to use the one with wire to test. I used to advise my customer that when you use the clipper with wire to test, you take it to run it very well. After it has been worked properly correctly, you now place it on the cordless. But most of my customer doesn't take to that advice. It doesn't take to it. It doesn't take to it. So I need to follow them. Machine one. Somebody got me my good mistake to be with me from you. I get it. I'm good machine yo. I want to serogap it. I want to set it very well, so that when I want to test it, can give you to give me perfection job. Yeah, I want to treat the clipper. Can you see the mass of hair? At the same time, I want to test it. Let me put the mass of hair here. Then, can you see this on and off switch? No indicator here. Yeah, this is the housing. There's the cover. This is the on and off switch. This is adjuster lever. This is the button tray. This is the bottom clipper blade. This is the upper clipper blade. Can you see? This is the bedding. Yeah. This is the socket where they used to plug it. This is the hanger. You want to put it by the wall or by the table. Yeah. If you want to treat it, can you see the way you first turn it down? Can you see the machine is working out? You now be dropping treatment by the side. See the way I'm dropping the treatment. You see the way you now be adjusting up and down. Can you see it? gap on the gap, see the gap on the gap, see the gap on the gap, see the gap on the gap. I want the upper clipper base surface and the bottom clipper base surface to rhyme together, to agree together. Ẹ máa bọ̀ lẹ́yìn ẹ jáde. Èyí báyìí ní kẹ́ wá, èyí kámẹ́rà báyìí ẹ wá sẹ́yìn báyìí. Yá ẹ fẹ́ jáde. Yá. Kí n pàkẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ má parọ́ o. No, tí wọ́n ẹlòmíì tó bá fẹ́ ṣàpẹ̀ wọ́n yọ kúrò ń bẹ̀. Tàbá wá ṣàpẹ̀ tẹ́tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń sìn yẹn ó pọ̀ sí má ṣiṣẹ́. Èyí ti pọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ti wà ókè tí mo tọ́ra ṣe yẹn. Still put treatment more. I don't want more. We have to leave it for a while so that the upper and the bottom clipper this surface will have to agree together very well. They have to agree. They have to agree together. Yeah. You see the way.